I'm gonna have to go back.
Why?
My pants.
What happened?
Oh, they're in. Okay. Well, I don't want this to go off. Because then I'm going to get all kinds of snow.
Well, it's temporary, and then you're going to get in the shower.
Okay. Well, I hope this stays there.
Just go out there and enjoy it for a few minutes.
Should I jump? Like this?
Sure. Now, you got to be able to get up by yourself.
Oh, my goodness. I think I'm going to get the mail.
All right. Not to get stuck, okay?
I will.
Halfway there. Keep going. Too late to turn back now. It'll probably fall over when you open it. Yep, there it went. Did you get the mail in there? Did you get the mail in there too?
Yeah. Oh my God.
She's really working for it. So, what do you think?
It's pretty awful. Oh my God. And I feel betrayed by my pants. They were not supposed to come off my boot, and they did.
Oh, yeah, well, wait. We got to get a close-up on the fact that you have no socks on at all.
Shame.